So namhlanje sawujonga another topic, economics grade 12. That topic is called the public sector. And then our focus area for this topic, the first focus area prior, is to be able to know the composition of a public sector, composition and the necessity of the public sector. And then let's move to the first focus area prior, a composition of the public sector, which is now ngaba ime njani public sector yethu. Public state kuyena phaya, we have different levels of government. There you can see we have different levels of government, which is we have 3 levels of government. We have a central level, which is the national level. Yona, it consists of the president, deputy president, and the ministers, which is Ibona. They are the ones who manages the country as a whole. That is the national level, the first level. And then the second one is called a provincial level. That's whereby you find their premiers, their MECs, they manage the provinces. South Africa, we have 9 provinces, which is prior. Each and every province, prior, there's a leader that manages the province. That person is called a premier under Indoni provincial level. And then the last one, we have a local level that consists of the mayors and the councillors. Their job is to serve the community or the municipalities. That is the local level, which is the composition of the public sector. That's why we have 3 levels of government. The first level is a central or the national level that consists of drafting the laws of the country. They oversee everything that has to do with the country as a whole, which is the president, deputy president, ministers, and deputy ministers. They belong under the national level. And then the second one is called the provincial level. That's whereby we find the premiers, the MECs, which are those who are managing or are those who are leading all the provinces. As we've said, in our country we have 9 provinces. Each and every province, there's a leader who leads a particular province. They are called premiers. They belong under a provincial level. And then the last one is called the local level. In that level, it is the one whereby we find the mayors and the councillors. And then the necessities of a public sector, which is now the duties that have to be done by the public sector. The first one is to supply the public goods and services to the community, whereby we find community goods and services. The second one is to manage all the resources of the country. The third one is to manage the economy. So those are the necessities of the public sector: provide or supply public goods and services, manage the resources, and then manage the country or manage the economy as a whole. Thank you.